Data access in Python. After the data is collected through different methods, this data needs to be accessed through Python code so that it can be arranged in a structured manner and analyzed as required by AI model. To help us with the Python provides different packages like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. Let us now study in detail the use of some of these packages. NumPy. NumPy is a powerful open source scientific package that stands for Numerical Python. It uses mathematical and logical operations for handling large data sets through powerful data structure and dimensional arrays. NumPy is the first step in learning to become a Python data scientist in the future. Various other libraries like Pandas, Matplotlib, and Scikit-learn are built on using some concepts of this magical library. NumPy can be imported into the Jupyter Notebook by using the given statement. Arrays are a collection of values of the same data types that can be arranged in one or more dimensions. They can be numbers, characters, booleans, etc. An array of one dimension is called a vector. An array having two dimensions is called a matrix. And an array with multiple dimensions is called as n-dimensional array. In NumPy, we can create n-dimensional arrays and are considered as an alternative to Python lists because they allow faster access in reading and writing items effectively and efficiently. So, if we compare NumPy arrays and Python list, then array is a collection of homogeneous values, whereas list is a collection of heterogeneous values. In arrays, data of one type does not support data of another type, whereas in list, it works perfectly by using data of one type by converting into another data type. Arrays can be accessed only through package NumPy and occupies less memory space, whereas list occupies more memory space and can be accessed directly in Python without any package support. In arrays, the mathematical operators can be directly used, whereas in list, the mathematical operators cannot be used directly on it. Instead, the operator needs to be used separately on individual elements. Arrays are mainly used for mathematical operations, whereas lists are mainly used for data management. Syntax for creating an array is creating an array using NumPy. We can create different arrays using NumPy. Let us discuss about some of them. Creating a one-dimensional array. Output will be square bracket 1, 2, 3. Create a sequential 1D array with values as multiples of 10 from 10 to 100. Output will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Creating 1D array with 4 random values. Output will be square bracket 0.9290503. 0.89991053, 0.7563874, 0.89570953. Creating a 3 times 4 array with random integer values less than 10. Output will be square bracket 3141, 7601, 4229. Creating 2-dimensional array of 3 rows and 4 columns with all ones as values. Output will be 1.1.1.1, 1.1.1.1, 1.1.1.1. Creating 2-dimensional array of 3 rows and 3 columns with all zeros as value. Output will be 0.0.0, 0.0.0, 0.0.0. Creating 2-dimensional array of 3 rows and 4 columns with all 6 as value. Output will be 6666, 6666, 6666. Using mathematical operators on integer array. Operator, example, output. Exponential. 1294 marks 1 to the power of 3 is 1, 8, 27, 64. Addition. 12, 14, 9, 11. 2 marks extra. 9, 10, 7, 6. Subtraction. 2, 2, 1 minus 3. 2 marks deducted. 5, 6, 3, 2. Multiplication. 35, 48, 20, 28. 2 marks multiplied. 14, 16, 10, 8. Divide. 5, 5, 10, 8. 2 marks divided. 5, 10, 15, 20. Floor division. 5, 5, 10, 8. 2 marks divided using floor division. 5, 10, 15, 20. Remainder of division. 0, 0, 0, 0. Remainder of division. 1, 2, 0, 1. Some important functions. Type, function, example, output. Type of an object, that is array. Type ARR. Class numpy.ndArray. Check the dimensions of an array. ARR.ndim. 2. Shape of an array, that is length of the array dimensions. ARR.shape. 2, 4. Size of an array, that is counts the number of elements. ARR.size. 8. Data type of elements stored in the array. ARR.dtype. Int 32. Maximum value in the element of the array. ARR.max. 45. Row-wise and column-wise maximum value. ARR.max access is equal to 1 for row. ARR.max access is equal to 0 for column. Row-wise max 13, 6. Column-wise max 11, 4, 13, 6. Row-wise and column-wise minimum value. ARR.min access is equal to 1 for row. ARR.min access is equal to 0 for column. Row-wise min 2, 3. Column-wise min 3, 2, 5, 4. Sum of all values in the given array. ARR.sum. Row-wise sum 30, 18. Column-wise sum 14, 6, 18, 10. Sum is 48. Sorting the array. ARR.sort. Minus 14, minus 10, minus 1, 4, 12, 15, 23, 29, 33, 37. 45. Minus 9, 5, 9, 12, 18. Minus 10, minus 5, 3, 10, 11. Minus 9, 5, 3, minus 5, minus 10. 10, 11, 18, 9, 12. Pandas. Panda is an open source Python library used for data manipulation and data analysis. It provides a very strong feature of using 3 important data structures. Series, 1-dimensional data frame, 2-dimensional, and panel 3-dimensional for smooth processing and analysis of data, regardless of its origin. The data actually need not to be labeled at all to be placed into a pandas data structure. Pandas was created by Wes McKinney in 2008 and has derived its name from both panel data and Python data analysis, which means using a statistical method of analyzing the data taken from the observations about different cross-sections over the period of time. Pandas libraries are built on NumPy, so to work in Pandas, the prerequisite is to get familiar with NumPy and install it. Data required for Pandas can be taken as tabular data with heterogeneously typed columns, as in an SQL table or Excel spreadsheet. Ordered and unordered, not necessarily fixed frequency, time series data. Arbitrary matrix data, homogeneously typed or heterogeneous, with row or column labels. Any other form of observation or statistical data sets. File accessing using Pandas. Pandas can be accessed by using import. To save the CSV file into a variable. To print the first 5 rows of the file. To print the first 10 rows of the file. To sort the records in the file. Python with Pandas is used in a wide range of fields including academic and commercial domains including finance, economics, statistics, analytics, etc. Pandas can perform some of the important functions like it provides a fast and efficient way to manage and explore data using series, data frames, and panels, which makes it really fast and suitable for data science. Missing data represented as NaN and of any type is very easily and efficiently handled. Columns can be easily inserted, modified, and deleted from data frame and panel. Objects can be explicitly aligned by the users to a set of labels or automatically handled by data structures for smooth processing and data analysis. Organization and labeling of data are perfectly taken care of by the intelligent methods of slicing, alignment, and indexing. It provides support for cleaning of data needed for processing. It provides strong support for reshaping, merging, and joining various data sets with extreme efficiency. Matplotlib. Matplotlib was created by John D. Hunter in 2003. It is a free and open source data visualization library in Python built on NumPy arrays and can be downloaded from the given link. It comes with a wide variety of plots, but the most used module of Matplotlib is pyplot, which is used for creating 2D plots of arrays. Visuals have more impact on human brains, so these plots created using Matplotlib helps us understand the trends, patterns, correlations of the data. They give us the quantitative information of data in a visual form. After the plots are created, you can change the style, look, and make them more descriptive and communicable. Installing Matplotlib. Following are the ways to install. To install it using PIP. To install using Anaconda.